Hi everyone, this is Archana and welcome back to my channel. It's time to fly. I hope you all are doing well. Friends, today I'm going to talk about one of the most powerful and magical processes that will not only add value in your life, but at the same time it will make you mentally very strong, give you clarity to take appropriate decision in each and every area of your life and help you immensely to get whatever you want to achieve in your life. And this process is none other than meditation. Yes, my dear friends, process of meditation is just like a very powerful and magical pill or medicine that has super ability to heal your internal energy completely and permanently. And believe me, everything in your life is all about having right or wrong energy, whether you believe it or not. If your energy is right, you will always thrive in each and every area of your life. But if it is wrong, you will always struggle everywhere without understanding that why is it happening to you. Well, working over our energy, that is completely another topic. If you want, I will try to explain it in my upcoming videos. Now let's concentrate that how process of meditation works very effectively over our internal energy and heal our body, mind, soul, everything completely. And once your energy is fixed, you will be able to fix everything around you. Here, many people may ask that what is the proof that by doing meditation, quality of my life will start improving? And I must say, first start doing it, stick with it at least for 30 days, and you will get the proof. You will see wonderful changes in your life, and that will be sufficient for you to continue with this journey. Here, to make you understand more, I would like to share my own journey with meditation. But before that, if you have not liked and subscribed my channel, so please do it so that you can keep getting update of my upcoming videos. So let's begin. Friends, I still remember that when after someone's recommendation, I started doing meditation unintentionally. After doing it almost for 1 month, because of some health issue, I left doing it. At the beginning, everything was normal, but soon I started realizing that when I was doing meditation, my ability to deal with any unpredictable situations or people had improved a lot. I was able to deal with all those things in a very peaceful and stable way by getting very less disturbed. Initially, it was hard for me to believe that is it happening because of meditation, but after analyzing a lot, I understood that without my information, process of meditation was healing me and my internal energy completely. And that's why my ability to deal with anything or anyone had started improving a lot. Guys, now I'm going to explain the entire process in a very simplified way so that you will be able to feel more connection with the entire process. Have you ever felt that you have a lot of good information inside your mind? And whenever you read or listen something very motivational, you also feel intrigued to apply all those things in your life. For example, whether you want to wake up early in the morning, you want to study for long hours, or you want to work over your communication and English, etc. But when it comes to implement all those things, most of the time, either you are not able to start, or even if you start, you are not able to continue with the process for very long. And eventually you give up, especially when you don't get your expected result. How do I know about it? Because earlier I have also experienced the same. Despite having a lot of motivation to do lots of things, I was not able to continue with anything for more than few days. So now question arises that how can we get the solution? How can we get rid of this problem? Friends, hear me out very attentively. The very first thing that you need to understand about your own self and about your energy, that 90% of people in this world has born with equal potential and talents. Not able to believe, but this is true. God has not discriminated with anyone. So it is my request that from next time, if you are not able to do or achieve something, please stop doubting yourself. Stop thinking that you are less than anyone. And people who achieve something great, those people are more talented than you. Now, $1 million question is that if everyone is equally talented and have same potential, then why there is a lot of discrimination in this world? Few people are always rising in their life, few are suffering in their life. Nice question, and you should certainly ask about it. Listen me carefully. See, though we all are born with equal potential and talents, but there are many factors which play a vital role in deciding the trajectory of our entire life. And those factors decide that our innate energy with which we all are born, it will go up or it will go down in our life. And do you know what are those factors? Those factors are our parenting, nurturing, upbringing, situations of our life, people around us, etc. Now, matter boiled down the fact that choosing our parents, our nurturing, people around us, or situations of our life, it is not in our hand at all, right? Then, how can we make sure to keep our innate energy always high and safe? Friends, no doubt, few people in this world are lucky enough. Why are they lucky? That is another topic. Just consider they are lucky enough, and that's why right from their birth they get favorable situation and they always rise in their life. But what about those people who are full of potentials, but because of many years of separation, they are not able to use their own potential, their own power? And unfortunately, many of us come in that category. So question is, how can we get rid of that unfortune that we have been carrying forward since many years of our life? Guys, again I am requesting and repeating over and over again that meditation is the only way, it is the process through which not only you will be able to regain and revive your power, but at the same time, you will be able to optimize that power in the best way to get whatever you want in your life. Through meditation, you will be able to navigate your brain's power to always work in your favor. And that is my promise to you. That is my guarantee. So, if you are a beginner and after listening me, if you are feeling intrigued to start doing meditation, here I am going to describe one of the simplest way of doing it. And since last 2 years, I have also been following the same process. Let's begin. First, select a place and time where you are able to get silence around you. Means there should be no one to disturb you at least for 15 minutes. If possible, select morning time when everyone around is sleeping. If not possible, you can choose any time according to your convenience. Then sit comfortably, either on bed, chair, or on the ground. Then slowly start closing your eyes. If still you feel that there is some noise around you, then use your earplug and play any meditation music in your mobile with which you are able to feel connected. Again, close your eyes. Bring your focus over your breathing process. Then slowly and gently start breathing. Hold your breath for a few seconds according to your capacity, and while holding it, try to concentrate at the center of your forehead. When you feel like releasing your breath, then again slowly and gently start releasing it. Keep repeating the process until 15 minutes are over. Friends, if while doing the process, if you feel that many unwanted thoughts are coming to your mind and they are disturbing you, then here I am giving you two very powerful affirmations that you will have to repeat continuously while doing the entire breathing process. And those affirmations are: I am divine, I am highly blessed. Keep repeating it until 15 minutes are over, along with concentrating over your breathing process. Once time is over, open your eyes slowly and say thank you. Thank you so much for your each and every blessings. So friends, this was all about the meditation process. I have one request to you that when you start doing it, please don't expect too much result. Stick with the process at least for 1 month, and then naturally you will see a lot of changes, first in your aura and then in your life, and then automatically you will be able to continue with this journey. Now thank you so much for being with me and watch my entire video. Soon I will try to come with another mindful topic. Till then, bye. Thank you.